We left Jasper the morning of July 17th and traveled over the Canadian Icefields Parkway, which was Highway 93. The sights that we saw were extremely beautiful and changed from minute to minute. Our goal was to visit the Athabasca Glacier in Jasper National Park. We arrived at the Icefield Interpretive Center, which is also a lodge. We departed from our bus and we took a special bus called the Happy Bus that was going to take us up to another bus that would take us to the glaciers. It was a long, winding road as we went higher in altitude. You could see the changing landscape the higher up we went. It reflected the change in the growth that was on the various mountains that we passed through. As we traveled along, we reached another plateau where once again we exchanged buses for an Ice Explorer. The bus held a minimum number of people and was especially equipped for climbing and traveling on the glacier itself. As we advanced higher and higher, we began to hear the crunch of the ice beneath the wheels of the Ice Explorer. We were now beginning to see the formation of this river of ice. As we departed the bus, we noted the huge wheels, and you can see with me standing beside it that they were huge, and it was needed and necessary because of the snow and ice that was on the glacier itself. Cones were placed in strategic places along the ice because these were dangerous areas. There was also cool water if you wanted to get down and take a sip. We carefully walked around and we were told that the glacier is in continuous motion. It moves about 6 to 9 feet per year and several centimeters per day. It's about 4 miles long and covers about 2 3/10 square mile. It is the largest ice field in the Canadian Rockies and rises about 10,000 plus feet. It is between 300 to 980 feet thick. Because of the greenhouse effect, the glaciers are melting rather rapidly now. The water that's melting from the ice at present fell as snow about 150 years ago and is among the purest water known. Once our tour was over, we once again boarded the Ice Explorer and headed back to the Icefield Interpretation Center, where our tour ended with leaving behind many wonderful memories.